Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. I am Dr. Hamad Ismail. Today we will talk about R-based packages known as Bioconductor. In this tutorial we will talk about the installation and introduction of Bioconductor. Bioconductor is an open source, open development software project for the analysis and comprehension of genomic data. It provides tools for analysis of high throughput genomic data, and it also contains packages for sequence analysis, differential analysis, variant calling, and many more. Its main by using the bioconductor, you can analyze the complete DNA sequences. You can find the overlaps, you can find the missing gaps, and you can do a lot of sequence analysis using the bioconductor tool. So let's move toward its installation. First of all, you need to download and install the R and RStudio package. For this, go to the Google and type RStudio. When you type the RStudio desktop option will appear. You need to click on this, and on the next page you will be directed toward the RStudio desktop. First it contains install R, and at the second level you need to install RStudio. The R and RStudios are updated on the regularly basis. When you are going to try, maybe it is showing the different version. Right now it is showing the 3.6 version. Maybe it updated to 7, 8 and so on. You just need to download and install the latest version. Simply click on the download and install button from here, and then also from this one. This will lead to downloading of R and RStudio. When you click on the RStudio, it will just start the download and you can download the software. But when you click on the simple install, it will open a new page and you need to go to download R for Windows. Click on it and click on install R the first time. Click on it. When you click on it, it will showing you the latest version. The latest version right now is R 4.5.2 for Windows. Click on it. It will start downloading your R. The third thing you need is RTool. RTool contains all the basic packages need to run the R. So simply go to Google, type RTools and click on RTool built-in package. It will pop up with the new window and download the latest version. Here the latest version is RTool 4.5. Click on it. Then here you can see RTool 4.5 installer. Click on it. It will start downloading the software. Download it and install it in your window. Now we have downloaded three tools: RStudio, R and RTool. You need to install them one by one. First of all, you need to install the R. Just double click on it and it will start installing. Click on the OK button. Click on next. It will ask you the path where you're going to install it. Click on next. Next. It will choose the default path, install next, and it will install your basic R package in your system. Once the R is installed, you can install the R tools. After the installing tool, you can install the RStudio. The R installation has been completed. Click on the finish button and it's done. After installing it, install the R tools. Double click on the R tools. Click on the yes button and then click on next. It says already installed, or you can simply install it at another location, or you can choose it by default. As I have already installed the R tools, so that's why it is asking that you already contain the file. If you don't have it, you just need to click on the next and install. It will be completed. After this one is completed, you can simply go for the installation of RStudio. The last step is installation of the RStudio. Click on the yes button and it will start initiating your program. Click on the next, install. So the main packages are the R software and then the RStudio software. The R tools are basically the supporting packages which are needed to run for the R and other affiliated packages. The installation of RStudio is always completed. After the completion, you can simply go to the start button and type RStudio. The new app RStudio is now appeared in your start menu. Open it. This is your latest version of R and RStudio. You always need to run the latest version so that you can avoid any complications. So from here we have the new startup window where we can work. Now we want to work on the Bioconductor. Bioconductor is the main package on which we want to work. Simply go to the Google and type www.bioconductor.org. You will be promoted into this interface. Then you click on get started. From here you can click on get started. You will be reached on this web page. This page explains that you first need to install the R, which we already have done, and then we need to install the Bioconductor packages. What you need to do, you need to simply copy these commands from here, install Bioconductor packages, and go to the R script, which is your blank script. If you don't see any blank script here, you can simply go to the plus sign and create a new script. Just for the overview, this is your script, just like a text box. This is your R console, this is your environment, and these are your packages. You just need to paste this command over here, then select the complete command and hit the run button. From here you can click on the run button. When you click on the run button, it will initiate the installation. When you hit the run button, it will initiate the installation of RStudio. You will see that upgrade packages on Bioconductor on multiple purpose. You need to type here Y button and press enter. It will update. Sometimes you will see an option and you need to type A for all, which means you need to install all the packages or all the updated packages. You can see it is installing all the required packages. Here you can see the BioC version successfully unpacked and unsummed, which means it is installing all the related packages. These are all the link packages which are going to be installed. So these are the packages it's going to be installed. Sometimes you can see the message like this: do you want to install from source package which need to be completion? You need to click the yes button. All time it pop up any message, you need to click on the yes button, which means it is going to install all the required package which you will need to perform the analysis on the sequences. Meanwhile it is installing the package, you will see the red button over here. It means that it is still working and installing all the packages. Now it's installing multiple packages. The main core package or BioC manager, Bioconductor manager is 3.22. Right now this is the latest package. When you are trying to install, maybe it is upgraded to some other packages, but you need to install the latest package, and it is recommended always take the command and install the package from Bioconductor main website. So we need to wait until it complete installing all the packages. Our all package has been completed and downloaded and installed. You can see that the downloaded source packages are in this location. There are also some code packages. If you want to install these code packages specifically, you can simply copy this command, go to RStudio, paste it, and you can install it. But these packages are already installed if you use the above command for installation of package. This is the complete set of package. It also contains genomic features and annotation DBI. But if you are specifically interested in genomic feature and annotation DBI, then you can use this command. As we have completed the installation using this command, we don't need to run it again. If you want to see that either your Bioconductor manager has been installed or not, you can simply run this command, Bioconductor manager, BioC manager, double colon and version, and press run button. It will turn out that your current Bioconductor manager is 3.22. Similarly, you can also find different packages. You can run this command that what kind of packages are available. You can copy this command and go to RStudio, and in the RStudio you can paste this command, Bioconductor manager available package. Just run this command and it will show you all the packages available. These are the all available package on the internet. You can see there are more than 999 packages. Depending upon their function, you can specifically install them or use their values. So these are the ways that how you can install the Bioconductor manager, check its version and check the available packages. Similarly, there are some more commands. You can update the specific package. If you are having some troubleshoot, you can install troubleshoot manager, and other commands are available. So you can use these commands in the RStudio and you can sort out your installed packages. Just for testing, we can load a specific package, just say a genomic range packages. We will use the term library. You can simply use the term library, and in the library you can upload any package you need. Just say we are going to upload genomic. You can see these are all the packages available in the genomic. Genomic alignment, genomic features, genomic ranges, genomic information DBI, or genomic information data, or genomic features. You can see all these packages are available. I just select from this genomic ranges and press hit button run. You will see that these package genomic ranges has been uploaded. In the same way, you can, if you want to see either genomic feature is available, simply type library and then in the brackets start typing genomic, and you will see all the genomic available package will be shared. Like we will load the genomic feature package, select it and then run this command. When you will run this command, it will upload all the packages. Like you can see, it is loading the package annotation hub, annotation DBI, Biobase, welcome to Bioconductor, and this. It is uploading all the packages available and the package is loaded, which means you can use now the genomic feature library of the Bioconductor. So this is the basic and the simplest way to install the Bioconductor. Just for the quick overview, first of all we have installed the R, then we have installed the R tools, then we install the RStudio, and after that we use these commands for installing the Bioconductor. So this is all for today. From the next lecture we will carry out different genomic features, genomic ranges, IR ranges, and we will show you how you can perform DNA sequence analysis using Bioconductor Manager using R. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.